Let's go skiing!
Broadway here. Great to see you. I'm so excited that this week's report's coming under an amazing Bluebird day. The conditions are just tremendous. It's been an incredible winter and a wonderful January. So you saw my commute over with my daughter Aspen and her good buddy Annie, and here we are at the Ski and Ride School lineup. So I just wanted to spend today talking a little bit about our snow sports school and some of the program offerings. We're going to meet one of our training managers in a little bit, Maggie, who's going to give us some more details. But last year, I had my daughter Aspen, who was then 4, in our weekend group lessons. That's called the Explorer program. And that's a great option for somebody who's just looking to get their kids introduced. It's just a couple hours of group lessons. But this year, I am so excited. Aspen is now in this Challenger program, the Cruisers program, and this is great for locals. She comes up every Saturday. She's with her group from 9 to 2:30. She has the same coach, the same kids, and we're just seeing, my husband and I are just seeing an awesome progression of her skills, being in that same group, building camaraderie and building their skill set. So this is a great option for any of you looking for ways to get your kids or your family in, is either the group lessons, which are a little shorter, or these incredible seasonal programs. So we're going to go over and catch up with Maggie Loring, our Snow Sports Training Manager. She's going to talk to us about some other offerings, and we'll see you over on the chair. All right, here I am with Maggie Loring. We're so excited to have her. She's joined us this year as our head of Snow Sports Training. So Maggie, can you tell us a little bit about this program called Women on Wednesdays?
Yes, I'd love to. It's every Wednesday morning for 6 weeks, and it's 9 to noon, and we ski with ladies that get grouped according to their ability, and also just people who they can ski and ride with and feel comfortable, and they get taught how to navigate the mountain, good places to go, all of that stuff, as well as learning technique and how to ski better.
That's awesome. So if you're looking for a way to make some connections, improve on your skill, or just enjoy some great camaraderie, I highly recommend you check it out. We have a new session coming up.
March 1st starts the next 6-week session, and we would love to see, if you don't know how to ski or ride yet, join us. We can accommodate that, and you'll learn with women and be taught by women. It's a really great way to learn.
And it's a great way to just do some tune-ups, or if you want to learn how to ski moguls or improve skiing in powder, or just see different parts of the mountain. This is a great opportunity to do that.
It is, and the coaches will take you places you shouldn't go by yourself, or that you wouldn't go if you didn't know who was taking you.
Yeah.
So it's really great.
I highly recommend getting guided around this mountain. Another program I'd love to throw out there is this program called Hidden Tracks. And this is actually a guided program that you and up to 4 of your friends, you do need to be advanced skiers and riders, but we can get you set up with one of our instructors here and our coaches, and they will take you and show you all of these incredible terrain here at Solitude. You can go through gates that, like Maggie said, you really shouldn't go by yourself. It's very easy to get hung up or get in places with cliffs that can be very challenging. But this is an awesome program. You can find it online. I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money for you and 4 friends. For 5 people, it's $500 for a 3-hour tour of the mountain, and it's just an incredible experience. So be sure to check that out.
And the coaches know where to go and when.
Yeah.
So they know the exposures. They know what's going to be the best skiing at what time. So
awesome.
Let's go.
All right, we're going to get off here, and then Maggie's going to give us a little tip that we can use to improve on our skiing and riding.
Hey, a lot of our guests that come to us in the mountain school or ski school here are really wanting to learn how to manage themselves on steep groomers. They just seem to get going faster and faster and sort of lose their control and lose their nerve. So here's a quick little tip that will help focus you in so you can pay attention to managing your speed on the steep so you can be comfortable going on a steep groomer. And really it's very simple. You just manage the path your skis take, and it's called turn shape, and you just shape your turn a little bit back up the hill and take your skis off their edge. I know a lot of people talk about how much edge you need, but you really, to scrub speed at the end on a groomer, just get off your edges a little bit and steer them back up the hill, and it'll slow you down and you'll feel more confident. I'll give you a little demo here. when you want to speed up, you can, but if you want to go more slowly, you can do that too. Enjoy your time on the steeps.
All right, so I just want to highlight a few things coming up this week we're really excited about. So on Thursday the 26th, we're going to have our first, it's called a roundup. So we're going to keep the Roundhouse restaurant open late. So you can, this is for our locals, you can either stay after last chair or go ahead, hike and skin up via our uphill travel policy. Come up to the Roundhouse, have dinner. They're going to stay open. They're going to keep the kitchen open until 6:30. So really fun, great way to get some evening exercise. Come up and enjoy that awesome Himalayan food. Then on Saturday the 28th, it's our 90s retro prom. The 90s was my best decade, I don't know about you. So bust out all that fun retro wear and come on out and enjoy, and we're gonna have a great dance party going on. And then on Sunday, January 29th, will be our first early ups for our Ikon Pass holders. So that morning from 7:30 a.m. will be exclusive early access on our 3 lower mountain lifts to all of our Ikon Pass holders. So come on out and enjoy with us.